Hi, I'm Melissa Colon and I'm the Distance Education Coordinator at Columbia College. What I'd like to do right now is just take you on a little tour and talk about the EDUC 50 online course development class. This is a course that you will be required to take if you're going to be teaching fully online or a hybrid course at Columbia College. We go through step-by-step instruction of everything that you need to develop and create an exemplary online class. So come on, I'm going to show you a few things that you'll be learning. Okay, so this is more like the view that you will have when you enter the course as a student. So I will be teaching you how to use the course settings and how to limit the navigation menu on your left of the class. I'll also be talking about the global navigation panel. So we're going to go through everything very, very carefully so you have an understanding of how Canvas works. Now, if you're feeling comfortable with Canvas already, these are some of the topics that we're going to be talking about and really diving into. First of all, we're going to be creating a Start Here First or Get Started learning module so your students can be orientated to your class. I have a lot of little ideas and tips to share with you. I also have a template that I will be sharing with you so you don't have to reinvent the wheel, so that you can use some of the already created content and just customize it for yourself. So that's pretty exciting. That will be probably the first thing you do with a module in this particular class. I'm just going to go back to the modules because I also want you to see that everything that you need from start to finish to be successful in this class is in the modules. Now, what's unique about the modules is that there's a lot of different activities that you can post in a module, and we can make it look organized and format it so it isn't just a long linear list. I'll teach you how to create some labels and some headings, but what we found is that students enjoy the simplicity of the Canvas modules. They go into the weekly module, they click on an item, and just like you saw that I had done with the Start Here First module, they would start with an overview. Very important. I'm going to be teaching you how to create a well-crafted orientation overview for each and every week. Very important. So you'll be going through these items one item at a time, just like the students will. You will be participating as a student, which we believe that it is very important to have a fully online student experience as well as learn how to create online content. Now, we're going to be diving into universal design and accessibility. So one of our big assignments is to take your syllabus and you will be going to create and actually redesign it to be accessible. So after that, you'll get a good sense of what you can do to all of your documentations. We'll be talking about it throughout the class because universal and accessibility is important for all students, not just our students that need adaptive technology. All right, so one of the fun things in the class is that we're going to be able to discuss all the different topics, subject matter, just some of the big items in the class. We will be able to share ideas. I think this is one of the most powerful tools in any course management system is when we have discussions. So expect that, and I will really be asking you to participate in your fullest capacity in the discussions. That's how we learn from each other. I'm just going to go back to the home page here and just show you some of the other topics. I don't really want to take too much time diving into each one, but let me just say you're going to be having the full immersion experience of developing a course. You'll be learning about assignments, you'll be learning how to create assessments, you'll be learning about all the communication tools. And what's really great is everything you do, you'll be doing in a sandbox or in a course that you choose. Now, if you don't have any of those, I am going to supply one for you so you can work with. But I want everything to be applicable to what you're doing. So for example, if you want to apply what you're doing in this class to one of your live enhancement classes, by all means, you'll be able to do that as well. And you are going to be creating a complete learning module, fully equipped with rubrics, models, an overview, assignments, assessments. It's going to be fantastic. So we'll have some other things that we'll talk about, such as some of the tools that we have for anti-plagiarism and also how to create an authentic assessment. And I like to look at it this way. What do you want your students to do, be, or know? And that's how we create an activity around those questions. One great aspect of this class is that I'm going to introduce you to Confer Now. We're going to be using a virtual conferencing tool each and every week. What that means is that you'll be able to attend live or you'll be able to watch the archive. I will demonstrate each and every activity for the week, and that way you'll know how to visually see what to do and what's expected. So I think you're going to really like that feature in this class, and then you might want to use it in your own class. All right, I'm looking forward to having you in the class. If you have any questions beforehand, please feel free to contact me at colonem@yosemite.edu or 588-5092. All right, thank you.